Can you believe this is a new account created few days back, and I have already progressed to a level where most people don't reach in few days, and I've got some good cards and at good levels. And today we will discuss exactly what you need to do in order to progress quite fast in Clash Royale, and you don't need any money for this. This is absolutely free. And let's start with the daily checklist. It's not about playing for 8 hours once a week, but it is about doing or playing regularly on consistent basis. The more consistent you will be, the better your rewards will be. And the first task in the daily checklist should be to play at least 4 battles to claim your lucky drops every day. This way you would be getting a good amount of rewards. Now combine it or multiply it with every single day. 30 days and 4 rewards every single day. So you would be getting 120 rewards. Second thing should be to go on the shop panel and then scroll down, and over here you get this option of daily deals. Make sure that you check out these deals daily and get every single of these deals. You would be getting good amount of cards and a great way to level up your cards, and you just need gold, and we have plenty of the gold if we play on regular basis. So this should be the second thing on your checklist. The third thing should be to join a clan. Though on this account I have not joined any clan as of now, but joining a clan do helps and increases your rewards multifold. So it's better to join a clan and then request the cards and then get them in your clan. So make sure to join the clan, and before spending any of your gem, make sure that you collect them, and there's only one way that you should be spending your gems, and that way is going to the shop. And over here when we scroll down further, let me scroll down further, and you would be getting these chests. Get the legendary king's chest. This is the one which is worth spending your gems for. Don't spend your gems on any other chest or any other thing. Just spend them on legendary chest. Otherwise don't spend them, as this will give you wild cards, normal cards and champions, and this is way better than getting the lightning chest. You would not get much rewards in the lightning chest, so it's better to go with the highest one. Also, if you have 2500 gems, then don't go right away and click on it and claim this particular chest. Rather wait for the anniversary events or some other events by Supercell, as you would be getting legendary chest, maybe 2 or 3 legendary chest at the cost of just 1 chest. This is how you play smartly and get ahead of rest of the people out there. There's another way, which is the global tournaments, but it is currently not here and maybe disabled, and we don't know whether the Supercell will bring that global tournament back or not. But if global tournaments comes back, then make sure to participate in global tournaments, as this will be the best rewarding tournament for you and to progress quite fast in Clash Royale. The another way is that while you check out the cards, play similar cards. This way you would be able to master the cards quite easily, and you would level up the mastery of cards, and this way you would be getting rewarded for each and every level that you level up in card mastery. So just choose your deck and play it on regular basis instead of like changing your cards on regular basis. Keep your deck similar and play with it in order to achieve all these levels and ranks and the rewards along with it. You would also be getting gems along with the card masteries, so this is a great way to earn the gems as well. Also make sure to claim your Royal Pass rewards on the daily basis, the free ones. You don't need to get the purchase the Royal Pass, but I'm talking about the free one. Over here you get plenty of rewards in the free one as well, and you get around 3 shards per season, so that's great. And you would also be getting shards for the evolution if you complete the events, so it's better to complete the events as well. Also, if you want to get the evolution shards, then ranking up your king's journey is a great way, because after level 51 you start getting evolution shard in between every level that you climb up. So this is one of the way to get the evolution shards, and evolution shards do help you a lot in improving your overall deck and its power. And the more battles you would be winning, the better for you and the faster you will be progressing in Clash Royale. Also, save the wild cards or the magic items and spend them wisely, and only use them when you are quite near to level up any particular card. This way you would be spending these cards quite wisely and only when it is necessary, and this way this will improve your deck's power quite fast. And these were some tips for the faster progress in Clash Royale. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.